Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook attachments not showing step by step using Outlook's built-in settings. Now, this is a very common issue and it can be really frustrating. You open an email, you know there should be an attachment, but it's just not visible anywhere. The good news is, in most cases, this isn't a serious problem. It's usually just a simple setting that needs to be turned on again. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix it quickly and easily. So let's jump right in. First, open your Outlook application or go to Outlook in your web browser. Make sure you are signed into your account. Once Outlook is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a quick settings panel, but don't stop here. Scroll down to the bottom of that panel and click on View All Outlook Settings. This will open the full settings menu where we can access more detailed options. Now let's move on to the next step. Inside the full settings window, look for the Mail tab and click on it. Under the Mail section, find and select Layout. This section controls how your emails are displayed, including how attachments appear in your inbox. Now take your time here and look through the available options. You're looking for a setting related to attachments or inline previews. Depending on your version of Outlook, you may need to scroll a little to find it. Once you locate it, look for an option called Show Attachments in Message List. This is the key setting. Make sure this option is enabled or checked. If it is turned off, Outlook will hide attachments from view, even though they are still technically there. Once you enable this setting, your attachments should start appearing again in your emails. Now, in most cases, that's all you need to do, but if you still don't see attachments, there's one more simple step you can try. Close Outlook completely. Make sure the application is fully closed and not running in the background. Then reopen Outlook and check your emails again. This quick refresh helps apply the changes and usually resolves the issue right away. Now, here's a helpful tip. Sometimes display or layout settings can change after updates or accidental clicks. So if this issue ever happens again, you now know exactly where to check. Also, keeping your Outlook settings properly configured can save you time and avoid confusion when managing emails. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the issue of Outlook attachments not showing using a simple setting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with other Outlook issues. Now let's quickly summarize what we did. First, we opened Outlook and clicked on the Settings gear icon. Then we selected View All Outlook Settings. Next, we went to the Mail tab and opened the Layout section. After that, we enabled the Show Attachments in Message List option. Finally, we refreshed Outlook to make sure the changes were applied. And that's everything you need to get your attachments showing again.